If you are the owner of a motorbike garage or parking facility, this is the video you've been waiting for. Imagine an advanced automatic motorbike washing system that minimizes customer wait time, enhance service quality, and reduce your operational costs. With Go&Go, you never have to worry about dirt and time-consuming washing processes again. Let's explore what makes Go&Go automatic motorbike washing station the perfect upgrade for your business. Outstanding efficiency. Only 2 minutes per bike for typical urban ride and about 4 minutes for heavily soiled bike covered in red dirt or mud. Our system delivers fast results without compromising on cleaning standard. Low operating costs equal high profit margin. Each wash costs only $0.2, including electricity, water, and chemical. With typical service price ranging from $1 per bike, each customer becomes a sustainable profit stream for your business. Versatile business integration. Go&Go doesn't just wash bike, it opens the door to multiple revenue streams by combining services like automatic helmet cleaning, a coffee corner, and a strategic location such as market, supermarket, and residential zone. Smart and simple operation. An integrated vehicle counter helps you track your daily performance with accuracy and zero hassle, giving you real-time insight into your garage productivity. Professional support and training. Your team will be professionally trained at the Go&Go Car Care Training Center, ensuring a smooth onboarding process and confident day-to-day operation. With this unbeatable advantage, Go&Go automatic motorbike washing station becomes your ideal partner to transform an ordinary garage into a modern, high-performing business that stands apart from a competition. Ask yourself this: are you ready to elevate your business with modern technology, lower costs, and a better customer experience? Picture this: a customer ride into your garage and see a sleek, professional automatic washing system. The blend of technology and modern style immediately builds trust and satisfaction. That's the kind of first impression that turns first-timer into loyal client. Optimize your business operation with fast service and low overhead. You can easily handle hundreds of per day, boost revenue, and cut down on customer wait time. Build a premium brand image. Investing in Go&Go is not just about performance, it shows your commitment to quality, modernity, and eco-friendliness. These are the value today's urban customer truly appreciate. Flexible and practical design. Tailored from Vietnamese market, our system adapts perfectly to local conditions, from 220 volt to 380 volt power compatibility to installation solution optimized for every business layout. Elevate customer experience. The automatic wash provides a fast, clean, and futuristic experience that leaves your customer delighted and eager to recommend your service to friends and family. Let your customer enjoy modern, efficient bike washing from their very first visit, creating a strong motivation for repeat business and fueling a continuous, sustainable revenue circle. Don't let your business fall behind in the race to digital transformation. Take action now. Visit our production site in Ho Chi Minh City. Delivery within 35 to 45 days after signing the contract. Contact our expert consultant today for full consultation. If you're looking for an innovative solution to modernize your service, optimize operational costs, and maximize profitability, the Go&Go automatic motorbike washing station is your perfect choice. Come and experience the difference today.